George Harrison slept here. Bo knows Benton. Going into the jail area. Wow. James S. Pitchard, Sheriff of Franklin County. So we were just looking at. Look at this, guys. Did you know the historical jail has become a national recognition destination for paranormal investigation and research? It's cold. Wow, I just want to look around. Never been in a jail. The death house in the basement of Shady Rest. Taking a body out on there. We're actually in the jail room. What do you guys think? This is cool. We're in a jail. Ha 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 ha. That one's a little different because it's on the side over here. Now remember, it has to deal with the paranormal. What is this? Oh, it's a shower. I guess this is where they would take their shower. It's pretty cool, guys. And that must be the lookout hole. The guard would sit right there. This is strange. They robbed a bank. So in this, you can actually just come inside of here. So they would just hold you up in here. Pretty cool, guys. Hope you're enjoying it. Going upstairs. Birger. There he goes. Going into his cell. barking there. Charlie. Says his lifeless body was examined by the coroner and he was declared dead at 9:53 a.m. His final words were, "It's a beautiful world." Going into another section of the jail. This is the upstairs. Henry Dungaree, if I pronounce his name right, by the Worldwide. Life record of the Wicked Burger Gang. Now remember, we're upstairs, guys. These jails, they're cold up here. That's where they hung him. Not be able to show you that outside. So this has got 2 beds in it, so there's somebody sleeping on that side and then that side. Never seen that before. Yep, that's them when they're getting ready to hang them. But you can actually go in this one. The other one's locked. Ooh, ha, 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 ha. That one's dark, guys. Going up into one more section here. Civil War area with John A. Logan. I'm gonna make sure we go in the right room. This is saddle, guys. And letters he wrote. It's another saddle. John A. Logan, Franklin County years, 1851 to 1861. Civil War tombstone. Uh-oh, Abraham, Honest Abe. There's a cane. Captain Carroll Moore. That's his cane. Old chair. Oh, that's old camera. Or the old photograph thing. Must be Logan's old home, 1836. Old drinking canister, canteen, a cracker, wow, Union cracker, Haitian, and there's the gun. Newsletter of old chairs. There's General John Logan. Look at the boat. The USS Benton, Civil War ironclad gunboat, 1862 to 1865. Look like the design of it, the blueprints. Another section, guys. George Harrison. If you remember the Beatles, WFRX radio station. Wow. Giving you guys a close look. Look at this. My man George Harris was here. This is pretty cool. The Beatles. What do you think? Old turntables. The old turntables. The mic. The board. That's what I'm talking about. We're gonna see what else. Now we're Sports Illustrated. Doug Collins, the one and only. The Booth for Battle Grill. Look at that old newspaper, guys. Southern Illinois. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that little quick tour we did of Doug Collins, and also my man so other than that, we're getting ready to head to our next location. This is CJ the Traveler signing out. Yeah, there's the car. And I thought I'd let you guys get a better view of it closer up. Birger's last stand, as you can see. Thank you guys for coming along. As you know, this is CJ the Traveling Man. About to head off to our next location. As you see the cannon. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'll see you in my next video.